Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Unique Polybag TV. And if it's your first time of coming across my video, thank you for stopping by. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to see it. And without wasting much of your time, I just want to show you the two types or two ways on how I cut my groundnut packing bags. This shape I'm cutting now is called arrow of God. It is commonly called arrow of God in my side, and this shape is not really common in other states, but in my side, in my state, it is really common, and most of my customers love this shape. They really love this shape, but I don't know for others. Most of you, this will be the first time of you seeing this shape. You can see how this shape is being cut. It is not cutted straight, it is cutted like how you're cutting your groundnut nylon, but you make it bigger. And please, when you're cutting this shape, please do well to take your time. Take your time in cutting. Make your work neat, because this nylon cutting needs neat work. Now let's move into the second one. This one is just a rectangle shape. It has no special name for this one. It has no special name. It's just rectangle in shape. And you can see the cutting is really straight and very simple. This is the most easiest one to cut. So these are the two types I wanted to show you today. The first one is called arrow of God. I'm still repeating it. The second one is just a rectangle shape. When you are doing this business, always try to make your work look very neat, because customers like good and neat work. And whenever I'm cutting these packing bags, I don't measure before I cut. I don't measure. I have said it before in my previous videos that whenever I'm cutting any of my nylons, I don't measure, because I know my measurements. I don't measure whenever I'm cutting my nylons. Now, I want to ask you guys something. Which one do you like? Which one do you prefer? Do you like the arrow of God, or do you like the rectangle shape? And if you like the first one, comment number 1. And also, if you like the second one, comment number 2. And if you have seen the arrow of God shape before, please tell me, what do you call it in your area? I would like to know about it. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.